guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matilda. So guys, as you can see from the title and the way I look, I'm going to be recreating Wednesday Addams look from the famous Netflix show, the #1 show in the world right now. If you haven't seen it, what are you waiting for? So I'm going to be recreating the main character's look, Wednesday Addams, and you guys are just going to see me do the makeup. I'm just going to have a little chat about the show and everything in between. So guys, let's get into this video. One thing about Wednesday is that she always looks ashy. She looks like someone that has died and woken up like a ghost. So her foundation is always looking ashy. But unfortunately for me, I don't have any foundation that will make me look ashy. I have just one shade of foundation, so that's what we're going to use. This is my edition. This is my own take of her makeup look. So I just realized that I'm going to be wearing a fringe, so I don't want to put too much foundation on my forehead. So let's just move it down to the face. So now it's time to apply concealer. So just apply. I won't be applying concealer on my forehead. There's no need. It's not going to show. I'm going to add a lot of the white concealer so I can look a bit, ashy, to try to get the look going. Hold on, let me check how she looks because I can't remember. You guys know where I love blush a lot, but for this look, we are not going to apply any blush. So I'm looking at her picture and she looks heavily contoured, like really contoured, cheekbones, chin, everywhere contoured. So we're going to be adding a lot of contour, like a lot. I don't know what I was thinking when I applied so much contour. Let's hope I can blend it. Where do I start from? So my question for you guys is, did you watch the show or are you watching it? What are your thoughts on it? I'm not done with the show. Let me tell you guys a story about how I started watching the show. So I went to see my friend and she was watching the show and she was like, this show is really nice. Oh my God, it's so good, blah, blah, blah. So I was like, what do I have to lose? Let me just watch it along. So she had already gone far, but while she was watching it, I was able to follow along and it looks interesting, but really not that revolutionary to me. It was something that I could actually live without. There are some shows that you watch and you're like, wow, thank God I discovered the show. I didn't have that feeling when I was watching it. Maybe because she had already gone far, but I kind of understood where the story was going. I was watching it and I later slept off while watching it. When I woke up, I just went home, or I didn't watch it again. But one day I just decided to, watch it because I didn't really have anything to watch. And I started to watch it and I started to watch it from the beginning instead of from, I think it was episode 6 or 7 I was watching then. So I decided to watch it from the beginning and it was actually looking really good. I'm not done yet, but I'm in episode 3. And so far it looks good. So for my powder contour, I'm going to be using this shade. This is quite dark. I'm going to mix it together with this one, but emphasis on this shade. So I would have that ghost-like look. And I also want to look really spotted. I think that's really going to pull the whole look together.
Hi guys, before we continue the video, I just wanted to remind you to please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up and share this video to someone that's interested in watching the show Wednesday. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I love you. Mwah. Now let's get back into the video.
So guys, it's time to do the eyes. So I'm gonna go into my Lydia Stanley palette, and from her look I'm seeing a little bit of purple coming out from the smoky eye. So I'm going to be using a mixture of Armor and Risky. I'm going to apply that on my eyes, but what I'll do is I'll apply the dark purple first, which is Ama. I'll apply it first on my eyes, then I'll go in to apply the black. So I already did that on the other eye, so let's see how it goes. So I already have concealer on my eyes, so I'm just going to blend it out a little bit. We want the eyeshadow to be really pigmented, so I'm just going to tap in the dark purple on my eyes first. So this is the brush I'm using to tap it in. Now the purple is on, I'm going to go into the black and apply it directly on top of the purple. So I'm just going in a tapping motion. Now I'm going to go back to the purple shade because you can see that the edges are quite harsh. So I'll go back to the dark purple shade Ama and use a fluffy brush to blend it out. Now I'm going to be blending it out in circular motions. So now I'm going to lightly dust up the powder from under my eyes so that I can easily apply the eyeshadow underneath my eyes. Typically, I would use my face powder, that is my skin tone, to dust up the powder, but I want that whitish look to give, you know, the vibe. So I'm just going to stick with just the setting powder. So for the under eyes, I'm going to use this brush that there is already black eyeshadow on, and I'll apply the purple shade on the brush without adding any more black eyeshadow. Then I'll use that to line under my eyes. So the eyeshadow that she has on, the bottom drags down a bit, so that's what I'm going to do. I'll drag it down a bit than I will typically do on a normal day. On my reference photo, I'm seeing a little bit of glitter, a little bit of shimmer in the front of the eyes, so I'm going to use the shade Dimmer. So I want to add a little bit of spice, so I'm going to go into the shade Heart Eyes. I'm going to use a fluffy brush and just lightly apply it underneath the eyes. Yeah, to give it that devilish look. So guys, I've gone ahead to do my lashes off camera. Now I'm going to finish off the look with my lips. So we're gonna go dark today, so let me just line my lips. I'm gonna go into this dark lipstick and just apply it all over my lips. So guys, I went on to wear my wig and this is the final look. Oh my god guys, this is like the darkest look I have ever done ever. So this is so new to me. I think I killed it. What do you guys think? Did I kill the look? Literally, no pun intended. I think I did a really good job at trying to recreate Wednesday Addams look. What do you guys think? Rate me from a scale of 1 to 10 in the comment section below. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, all Mathildaduku. Have you guys watched Wednesday? Let me know your thoughts about the show in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for following me along with this vlogmas. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up and also share it to someone that is a fan of the show Wednesday. So guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video, but before then you can check out my videos. I'm gonna keep on the screen right here, so you should better check it out because you're gonna love it. Okay.